Hey everyone, we got news for you. Our channel is officially opening its membership. These are the breakdown of all the perks you can get. For Tier 1 perks, Master Bunnies, emojis. As we gain more members, more emojis will be added. Perk 1, Members Shoutouts. I'm gonna display your name at the end of my video. Perk 2, Priority Reply to Comments. I'm gonna reply to your comments as soon as possible. Perk 3, Members Only Polls. Have members only polls to our community channel to get your feedbacks, any requests, suggestions, and ideas. For Tier 2 perks, Elite Bunnies. Everything from Tier 1. In addition to the perks from Tier 1, you will gonna get. Share some ideas. I'm gonna give tips, tricks, and some ideas on anything about my videos. Early access to new videos or special videos. Our members will have early access to my special videos. For summary, Tier 1 Master Bunnies, emojis, members shoutouts, priority reply to comments, members only polls, while in Tier 2 Elite Bunnies. All perks from Tier 1. Share ideas, tips, early access to new videos or special videos. That's it guys, thank you so much. From Travel Bunnies PH family.